Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Gabriel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use HTML code to create and design websites. Are you here and you're interested in learning how to create and design websites? In this video, I'll be showing you how to use HTML code to create and design websites. Coding is a language that is only understood by a computer. A computer does not understand any other language apart from this language. If you want computer to carry out any task, you must talk to computer in this language. We have different types of languages that computer understand. We have Python, we have Java, we have JavaScript, we have C, we have C++, we have HTML code, which is the one we're going to make use of it today. HTML code means Hypertext Markup Language. It comprises of both JavaScript and CSS. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use HTML code to create and design websites. What are the tools that you need when you want to write HTML code? You only need your system, that is your laptop, and access to compute through internet, and also your text editor. Text editor can text editor can be downloaded from Play Store free, and there's one that comes with your Windows PC. So we have different types of text editors. We have Notepad, have Note++, we have Atom, etc. So Notepad actually comes with your Windows PC. So if you're having your Windows PC, you will make use of it, which is even the one we're actually going to make use of it today. So we're going to make use of Notepad, the one that comes with Windows PC, to write our HTML code. So we look for Notepad. Okay. So in this video, I will only be showing you how to declare HTML code, how to open and close HTML code, and how to create HTML code. So this is how to declare HTML code. You you have your less than icon, then doc type, doc type, doc type, give a space, then write HTML, then close it with greater than. This doc type, it does not this one, it does not mean if you can write it in capital letter and you can write it in small letters. But this one must be written in small letters and it must be spelled like this. If not, the website you are creating will not actually work. So this is how to declare your HTML code. You are telling the system that the language is HTML code that you're going to use so that the computer will understand and you're able to interpret it. So after declaring it, you will come down immediately after it. You will open your HTML code. This is how to open your HTML code. You write less than HTML, close it with greater than, then give a space, come down and write less than slash less than sorry write less than slash HTML, then close it with greater than, then close it, then close it with greater than. Come back up again immediately after an HTML code and write your head. You start with your less than, write head, close it, um, close it, give a space and write greater than, less than, slash, head, and close it. This is where you're going to, the space in between, the space here is where you're going to write the title of your website. This is where you're going to write the title of your website. And the title of your the title written here can only be appear in the web browser when people are looking for a website. So now, come down immediately after the head, write um, less than, write body, and close it with the greater than. Come down to where you close your HTML code and close your body there. So you write less than, slash, body, then greater than. So this the space here is where you are going to write every other thing. This is where you are going to write your website. Any other thing that can be seen inside your website, this is where you are going to write it. This is the body of your website and everything. Every other thing that can be seen in your website, we are going to write it here. So coming to the heading, where you are going to write the title of your website, in between the head, write less than, title, title, close it. Then here you can write the title of your website. Like now I can say the title of my website is Agule Online Max. Agule Online Max. Agule Online Max. So this is the title of my website. Then you will close it. That will be less than, slash, title, slash, title, slash, title, then you will close it. So the title written here will appear in the web browser when people are looking for a website. So there's something I want you guys to observe on this. This is how to create, to this is how to declare your HTML code for the computer to understand that this is the language you are going to use. So coming here, you open your HTML code in this way and you close it in this way. The slash here means the closing of the HTML code. If you don't put a slash, um, the the um, the HTML code will be open and the website will not work. So coming here, this is the head. This is the head where I'm going to write the title. We'll open it in this way and we'll close it with this way. So this slash, the slash here means closing of anything that you open. Anything that you open, you must close it in this way. Then the title here will open in this way. After writing the title in between, we'll close it in this way. So this is how to um, write your HTML code. So in this tutorial, this is where I'm going to stop. So in the next video, I will show you how to design and write the body of your website using HTML code. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you.